Oh my gosh, I actually done that. I got really good. Oh my god, that hurt. I nearly put myself in.
Here we come. It's the AK Kids.
Hey guys, it's the AKA Kids, and today we're back with another video. This time, guys, we are going to be doing a Halloween makeup tutorial. Yeah. So what should we start with? Hair or Halloween makeup? I don't know. But guys, if you don't know us, yeah, we're the AKA Kids. Yeah, we do fun videos like challenges, vlogs, and fashion, holiday, anything like that. So if you're interested, subscribe. Let's get into the video. Don't you think our hair's a little bit boring? Yeah, let's change it up a little bit. I'm gonna be a skeleton. I'm going to be a vampire, but I'm gonna change it up a little bit. So let's get started. I have to do my face in white, so I've made my face whole white because I'm a skeleton. I can't open it. It's weird about my glasses. I look so weird. I need to do one next time. This will work. Actually, I'm use a paintbrush because it's more quicker. Really, I'm gonna use this. You know what? I actually can't be bothered. That white's not working. This white is working. Actually, yeah, this white is definitely. This white works. Oh my gosh, I actually done that. I got really good. Oh my god, that hurt. I nearly put myself in. Let's see how shade it's getting. That's good. Oh wait. Oh my god, what did I do? Yeah, that's good. You look like a dog. I look like a person that looks like half skeleton, half human right now. I look like... Now what I need to do, my nose. finished our makeup. And what we look like.
What do who looks the scariest?
I don't know. Looks like you. I look weird. I look like a...
So don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Right, guys.